So tell me what you gonna do. You know where to run when judgment comes for you. When judgment comes. So tell me what you gonna do. There ain't no place to hide when judgment comes for you. 'Cause it's gonna come. See you at the crossroads, crossroads, crossroads. See you at the crossroads, crossroads, crossroads. See you at the crossroads, crossroads, crossroads. See you at the crossroads, crossroads, crossroads.
So where you wanna go and pray? You gotta make it someday. You got a job, so where you wanna raise? Where you wanna act off? What can you play? This whole fame thing just comes one of these days, and when it comes, you'll be one of a kind. But before this, keep all this in your mind, 'cause I will hold you to the end of the line. Want all this, you'll be mad to decline.
So what you gonna do when every day's the same? Try to do this just for a glimpse of fame. Didn't mean to do it, just plug yourself to shame. Didn't wanna kill it, just try to play the game. When you reach the crossroads, where you gonna go? Go with your conscience, let your feelings flow. Life's up, life's down, but things could turn around. Innocent or guilty, you will soon be found.
So what you gonna do when people hate you, jack you, beat you, they don't like you? Can't run away 'cause they will find you. Praying for answers, what you gonna do? Make decisions, where you gonna go? Take the crossroads, go with the flow. You've gotta come easy and then you gotta go. You're living in a hateful world, keep low.
And we pray, and we pray, and we pray, and we pray. Every day, every day, every day, every day. And we pray, and we pray, and we pray, and we pray. Still we lay, still we lay.
Decisions in life you have to make. Which path you take is like deja vu. Stand by your side, stand next to you.